should have bought some carrots, shouldn't we? Carrots and dog treats.
I'm Hugh Tudor and I farm this farm in partnership with my brother. It's a family farm and the family have been here since the 1880s, farming these sheep traditional, and the bloodlines of these sheep would be going back 200-300 years on these hills up here.
How long have you been part of the Red Tractor scheme?
Well, I've been an assured farmer for the last 25 years, but I've been part of the Red Tractor for the last 10 years when it was established.
Why do you think your customers demand farm assurance?
It's hugely important because it's an independent body, making sure that whatever is produced to certain criteria that we need, and so the consumers have confidence in the product that they buy off us.
What do you feel about being part of the Olympics?
Oh, very excited. Really looking forward to it. I'm very proud that we can supply lamb to the Olympics, and hopefully all these athletes eating our Welsh lamb and the natural protein coming from that lamb will give us a few medals.
Team Red Tractor!